So, we got more.
No. Are you joking or no?
They're just for
Are they allowed to do that?
Well, they checked over and he said, did he not? Like, there's like 10 things.
No.
Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapper scattered off the gear. I can map him, yeah, he is. Like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking day.
Alright, so I'm about to take the 180 down to the police station to check over the defects and make sure it's up to the standards. So wish me luck. So James just got home and I have to tell him the outcome of the 180 check over.
You're not giving away much. What happened?
How do you think it went?
I hope it went good.
So, we got more.
No. Are you joking or no?
They're just for
Are they allowed to do that?
Well, they checked over and he said, did he not do you for the number plate?
No.
And I said no.
He mentioned it.
I didn't say it was mentioned. I just said no.
Yeah,
and
no,
so,
I didn't. I wouldn't say it was either if I was there.
So he did for the number plate. He said actually the whole window tints on the whole car are too dark.
Oh.
He said that some other thing. I think the blow off valve or something on the engine.
Did he find that?
Yeah. He said that there's some the pod filter, the filter thing's not legal. He said that you something to do with the crack on the back, the windscreen crack. Like there's like 10 things.
No.
No.
Are you joking?
Yeah.
I sort of might have thought you were doing that. Babe, that's not funny.
I'm sorry.
Shit.
I had to.
You've done this to me before. How did I fall for it again? Ah.
Okay, sit down. I'll tell you the actual outcome.
Oh, are you serious?
Yes.
I was getting mad then. I was like, are you serious?
So I had the two nicest cops.
Yeah.
Yeah, so one didn't know anything about engines.
Perfect.
Which was really nice.
Perfect.
Because, you know, I don't know anything either.
Yeah,
so,
you don't know much,
so
you can relate.
When he asked, like, what the engine modification was to the exhaust that needed to be fixed, I actually said it was at the back. There was a little hole and it was making it sound louder, like there was a hole in the exhaust.
Yeah, right.
And I said, and the police that did it for it, did us for it, thought that we had added the hole to make it louder. And I was like, oh gosh, who would do that? Like, so yeah.
There's a hole in the exhaust?
Yeah.
Oh, genius.
So he got under and felt it. He goes, oh, was this the bit that got welded? He could feel some bit under there. And I was like, yeah.
What?
So yeah, he checked
So we
that.
could have just left the screaming pipe there.
What screaming pipe?
Oh, I mean, I don't know.
I don't know what that is.
You don't?
I don't know what a screamer is.
I don't know.
It's just
Apparently
a hole.
those other cops were talking about it.
Oh, well, I said that the hole in the exhaust was emitting gases to the, you know, environment.
Yeah,
so
atmosphere.
yeah, so he was like,
I'm still recovering from, you just got me so good at it.
so he was like, oh gosh, those traffic cops, like they're pretty intense. And I was like,
really?
I know, like, I was like, frick, look at Mexican Hoon Cartel, all those guys, like, gosh.
Did you name them?
Oh, they know who the Mexican Hoon Cartel is. I didn't know they were a real thing. But yeah, so that, and then they checked the window tint and they were all good.
They don't even care about window tint?
No, they were fine.
Oh, you got me good because I was like, fuck, now we're gonna have to strip the window tint off.
When I first got there.
How did you know the blow valve's illegal?
It's not, everything's legal.
Oh yeah, everything's legal now. It's registered on the road.
Yes. And
Far out.
he did say, I'm surprised he didn't do you for the number plate. He said these cars for Jap imported. He said they're just not, they're not made like the number plate doesn't fit in there.
I still get done when I go through a speed camera.
Yeah, so it still works. I said to him, like, without being rude, I said, I'm surprised that the number plates that are coloured are legal, because I've tried to get a number plate before that was like black and red and I could not read it.
Yeah.
But yeah.
What did he say?
He was like, yeah, I agree. So, yeah.
There's a great area.
He said, like, he said both of the police officers said that they were, like, they were surprised they were sitting at the end of Champions Way. Like, they said that's pretty rank.
Yeah, they said that.
Yeah.
Did you get on camera?
No, I wouldn't film them.
Imagine that.
That would get them in trouble.
Yeah.
And they were like, oh, these traffic cops, you know, they're pretty intense
no
sometimes.
Way.
They were like, you can see it's a nice car. I said, yeah, I had it there for the show and shine. Like, I hardly take it out. I said I was taking it there to, you know, put it in the car show.
Yeah.
And yeah. So you happy?
So happy. Oh my god, you got me so good at it.
Okay, so I'm so excited. I got 2 really nice police officers. I had to illegally park in the disabled park because there was no parks free at the visitor section of the police station, and then out on the road it was full, and then in all the like industrial areas it was all private parking. So I told them when I went in and they said that's all good. One cop came out, checked over the car. He couldn't really read the initial cop's handwriting, but he was like, it's a nice car, I can see you look after it. He didn't even understand like the engine modifications and things, so he got another guy to come check over it who did look at a few other things like the license plate and stuff, but said, like, I can tell you look after it and stuff. So yeah, he signed it off. They didn't open the bonnet or check the engine or anything. So yeah, I'm really excited, but I'm gonna call James. I'm so mean. I'm gonna call James and like pretend it didn't go as good, and then I'll tell him the good news, obviously. So I'll put it on speaker.
Hello?
Hey babe.
Hey.
Is your day going okay?
Yeah, I'm finished work.
Oh, that's good. How long until you're home?
Alright, about 25, 30 minutes.
Okay.
How'd you go? Where are you?
I'm at home.
Oh, wait. I'll see you when I get home.
Okay. See ya.
Okay.
Bye. Love you. Okay, I'll wait till he's home and do it then. It's gonna be harder because if I'm filming, he's gonna like, no, I have to not smile. I have to be like real sad. Like get into it. I don't know if I can, but I'm gonna try. Elijah! We passed! We passed! We're all legal! We're legal! Yeah! Yeah, you excited? The 180 is legal!
So I didn't get a chance to add to the end of the video this afternoon, but man, she got me good. I was literally thinking like, I'm gonna have to unregister the car, it's just not worth it. I don't want to take all these things off the car, and I was destroyed. And then when she told me that it was all just a joke, oh, I was so relieved. And now yeah, I'm still happy as, because that means I get to drive the car again on the street and it's all passed, so don't have to worry about all that. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, hit the like button, drop a comment below, and hit that subscribe button.